Yep, had to blindside this joint in here. Got my man right here in a Peterbilt. It's a tight ass little spot, bro. Had me blindside this joint in here. Right? Look. Got my man sitting right here in a Petey. Look at this tight ass little spot, bro. Took me about 15 minutes to get up in here. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It's not even Amazon. It's like some little third-party shipper. We gonna walk around this joint, see what they got. Like, they loaded my truck now. Once would have been loaded, it's about 10:30. But we loaded right now, bro. You see my man right in the Pete, chilling. He watching me, see if I was gonna get that blind side in there. Come on, man. I do this. I was sweating a little bit because it took a little effort. See this little small ass little yard out here. Yeah. Little dock doors right here. I pulled this joint up on my satellite and the joint looked small as hell, because on my satellite it showed cars was right here, parked right here in this parking spot, and I was trying to figure out how I was gonna get in here. So I was a little stressing last night because it's not Amazon. Amazon lots be humongous or very spacious. So when I seen this one, I was a little concerned, but I was like, man, I'll be able to get it. As always, you know, everything can always be easy. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes these hard docks or these hard places we come into, man, just enhance your skills. That's how I see it. You know, somebody might got other views about that, but this place called Foxborough Warehouse. It said on my when I searched it on Google, it was a clothing store. So, you know, Amazon, of course, is gonna be closed. One time, Amazon, it's funny, they had me picking up some noodles from this Asian grocery store, and taking it. I don't know, it was like somewhere in Maryland. It was like 4 powders of like some real special type noodles, like organic noodles or whatever it was. But he was excited when I pulled up with them noodles, man. That's a stereotype that Asians love noodles, but I think they do, you know. So yeah, I'm here now, getting loaded. I'm over here in Foxborough, Massachusetts. I slept at the rest area last night. Slept good. Had me a chicken pasta, a chicken pasta from this place called Pete Sing's Wings, I think. Pete Sing's Pizza or somewhere, something like that, in Stoughton, Massachusetts. So if you could tell, people has damaged a lot of stuff. Look, all these bricks turned over here. So I had to blindside. You see where my trailer is? All my truckers know when you blindside from the passenger side, and you can't come through here. See this? I asked them could I come around the building. I checked it up on the Google Maps, and I wasn't able to do it. So this is a tight little spot right here, man. If it had been another truck here, it'd have been nearly impossible. I'd have probably hit that tree. You see these bricks right here turned over. It would have been a hell of a situation, man. So came out here unscathed. I wanted to record it, which I should have. I didn't even think about it. Next time I do a blindside, I'm gonna go ahead and record it for you guys, man. You know, 'cause it's always good to see easy to see the aftermath of it, but you know, to see the process it takes to get up in these little tight little docks. Like, I had the blindside from this side, and see, it's not that much space right there. And good thing I ain't had one of these doors right here by the trash can. Well, actually, the trash can one would have been easier, you know. So it's trucker life, man. You know, it's part of the job. So, you know, they said I don't get a seal. We never giving out seals. Over here at Foxborough Warehouse. We're heading on out of here, man. So I got blindside this on the body here. This damn idiot that's in front of me didn't want to move. So what happened in this situation was, once I got loaded and I was about to leave, got my paperwork and sealed, well, actually no seal, I couldn't get up out of this place because there was another driver on the left side of me and a long-nosed Peterbilt. So what I had to do was I had to basically back out of this whole warehouse. The good thing it wasn't no cars in this parking lot, because it was extremely difficult to get up out of this spot. If the guy next to me would at least show some common courtesy as a fellow trucker, detached his tractor from the trailer and just moved, I wouldn't have been able to get out of them much more easier. But he just want to look at me and lay in his bed. But that's how some truckers are, man. I don't expect them to get out and do the common courtesy thing as a fellow trucker. It is what it is. I got out of here unscathed. I didn't damage anything. I didn't damage the truck. But these are things you're going to have to deal with when you come out here in the trucking world, man. It's not always going to be easy. It's the trucker life.
Subscribers, I appreciate y'all for following my journey. All my new subscribers, y'all stay tuned, and I appreciate y'all too. Rampage.